Who doesn't want to have an income stream that allows us to make decent money without putting in extra work to manage a full-time job, enjoy a hobby, or travel around the world? But is that even possible? If you are new to this channel, I want to tell you that it is. And what I am about to show you today, you can make well over $100, and you can apply this method again and again to make even more. I don't like to keep anyone waiting. Before I reveal the tricks, tips, and the methods that has made me good amounts of money over the last few years, and I still work hard to find new and useful ways that beginners can apply, but these methods are good for any skill level, even if you have no skills at all. And that is the point behind these videos, to enable people to get started with their journey of making money online. So, before we start, if you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. You do not want to miss out on the updates on this channel. And that being said, let's dive in. So for this method, I'm going to share 5 websites with you that you can use to make money easily. This method uses an AI bot that is absolutely free, and you can get started today with $0 in capital investment or any costs. So the first platform that we have today is called iWriter.com. What this platform does is essentially, it pays you to write different articles and texts for other people online. So let's go to this website, and as you scroll down a bit, you can see the list of people who are or have successfully made money on this platform. Here you can see that you can earn up to $80 per 500 words you submit, and you can make up to $80 for every 500 words. Now you must be thinking that writing is hard. Yes, it is, and I'm not going to say otherwise, but like I said, you will not have to do anything, and the AI bot I'm about to share with you literally writes 500 words in one click of a button. It's a match made in heaven. The sign-up process is fairly easy, just like signing up to any other website. And once you do, you can apply to writing jobs, you can write articles, rewrite blog posts, product descriptions, and much more. And you will get paid up to $80 for every 500 words that you write. The next platform that we have today is called Scripted.com. Here you can sign up as a freelancer and you can get paid to write articles, blogs, etc. So now you must be thinking, how are you going to write? It is only natural and normal if you are not a writer and cannot write. You necessarily do not want to do any work, and that's why you are here. So as I promised, I'm going to share a tool which will take away the worries of writing from you, and you will not have to worry about any of the writing. So for now, let's cover all the platforms first. So the next one is called TextBroker.com. And on the top bar, you can see 2 options. One says I need content, and the other says I write content. So now you need to click on the I write content button. Here you can see how much money you will be able to make, and exactly how much money they are paying for everything you write. So here you can see if your rating is 4 stars, which means the quality of what you write is up par and good, and you won't have to write anything. Let me just tell you that the bot I have for you is extremely high quality, and your rating will be 5 stars, which means you can make $55 for every 1,000 words. This means based on the length of the text that you write, you can make a couple of $100 from a single job on this platform. But there is a catch on TextBroker. It does not have writing jobs as frequently. They only notify you maybe once in a couple of weeks, once in a couple of months that there is an article to be written. Sometimes, yes, they do have articles more often, but in most of the cases, you will have to wait until you get an article or job. But once you have it, as you can see, you can make $200 for a single text. Now on another platform is called Latium, and this is like a freelancing platform. Here you can see the search tab, and here type article writing, and now you can see here are people charging different prices, $20, $50, and this is based on their level of expertise and the quality of the article that they write. Here you can already see how much they have written and their rating. And you can become one here as well to write articles, blogs, and much more. So to create an account on this website, you can sign up as a freelancer by clicking on the Join button, and you can start selling blog posts, you can offer article writing services, and much more, so do check this one out as well. The last platform that I have for you today is called Steemit, and this is a little bit different, because Steemit will pay you when you just share an article on the platform or a blog post. So it's kind of like a platform with all the different blog posts on different topics, and for example, this person shared this article and they made $300 just from the views coming from Steemit. And here you can see a lot of different examples of people posting their articles and making money based on the traffic that they get on their articles. But now, let's go over how you will be able to make such articles and make money on this platform. And for that, the AI bot that I promised you. Time for the big reveal. It is called AnyWord. The best part is, this is completely free to use and sign up, and it is super easy to create your free account as well. You get a free trial, you can test it out for free, and you can generate different articles for free in the beginning, and then afterwards, after you've generated like a couple of different articles, you'll have to pay around $20 a month. But you don't have to take any money out of your own pocket, but generate an article for one of your clients, charge, let's say, $50 for that article, and then use that money to pay for the monthly fee. That way, you can generate unlimited amount of articles and obviously make a lot more money. Now you want to go to the blog wizard section if you want to write a blog, and if you want to write something else, you will go to the data-driven copywriting, like if you need social media posts or description like product descriptions, and all of that. You will go here to data-driven copywriting, but for this tutorial, I'm going to create a blog post. So pick any topic based on what your client asks you. I will type in Best Smartphones 2022, click on Next, and then we'll choose a title for us, and they will give us a couple of different suggestions, and then we will choose which one we want, but it will also score them, so I always like to go with the high score ones. Here, as you can see, you don't have to research, write, or check anything for errors or mistakes, but you can just spend 2 minutes of your time to pick the best version of the article that you need, and you are done. If you want to read any of it, you will not be able to tell that this was written by a bot and not an actual living human being, and that's what makes this platform so good. So, here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.